Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with another one of my videos that are functionality proof. This is about BN44-00161A, also known as PSPF411701A. It's using 42-inch Samsung and a bunch of others, and I have done many different videos about it. This board belongs to J.Mercil, phone number erased for security purposes on that video. The board did not look and test bad. It did have some cracks. It has the infamous VA track failure on the back that corrodes the solder joints, that in turn comes and leads to arcing of the transistors, which leads to either them failing because of the overload and inrush current, or the solder joints being eaten so badly that they don't want to stop. Every now and then I see bad capacitors here, but those are not swollen at all. Every now and then, but far not on every board. Far. This is a whole lot more common problem on those boards. Neither those nor these look bad or test bad. And there's a number of other known common failures. We replaced those two transistors, we did the flow, we reflown all the other known bad solder joints on the output side with the diodes, we did the relays, we did, what else, something common, oh yeah, the relays. I said there's another thing that I'm not going to disclose, but it also fails often. Anyhow, customer said that what he described as a failure, clicking a few times, then eventually starting, and once it starts it works fine. That sounds 99.9% like bad capacitors, and those would have been good candidates on those, but again, they look good, they measure good, so it might be the main board that was bad. My goal is just to show that this TV starts and works as it should properly. And what I'm going to do, this is a 50-inch, I'm testing on a 50-inch, and if I let that board run for a long period of time, it's going to blow, because it will be overloaded, because that's a 50-inch TV. However, I am missing the top buffer board, which means that half of the consumption, or nearly half of the consumption on the biggest, most powerful consumer on that TV, the display, is not going to be turned on, and it's going to be for a short enough period. And what I want to do is that show that it doesn't do anything like long clicking back and forth. It just starts, and of course it only has the lower portion of the screen. There you go. And I'm going to turn it off now, and I'm going to turn it back again. 1, 2, 3. I pressed, I don't know if you heard the click. I just want to do it again. It starts normal, couple of seconds, lower half of the screen. And this is all that I wanted to show. Again, I'm going to turn it off. Okay, didn't get it. Turn it off. And that is all. The board is working. It's instant response. If the TV keeps on doing that, the problem is not on that board. It had a number of things replaced, more than what I mentioned on that video. And if the owner is interested, he can go and find out. We're not gonna make extensive try to cover what we've done, but it's more than just those. Those are pretty old TVs. If the problem persists, it will be on that board. On the 42-inch, it may look slightly different, and that's where it will be. All right, best of luck.